Hello friends, welcome to our channel Excel to Excellence. Today we'll learn use of logical function in our day-to-day office work. In this video we will discuss if and or not and combined application of logical function. These functions perform logical tests based on satisfaction criteria. It report true or false value or define output. First we will discuss about use of logical function if. If is the most user friendly, or we can say the simplest logical function. The function perform tests for true or false and calculate values on basis of true case. In illustration table 1 showing us the sales data where the main field are customer name, salesperson, date and amount. In this application, we will show you application of if function. Let's say the organization set a target of rupees 2,50,000 for each salesman. Now organization want to know whether salesman has achieved their target or not. So write here target status. Okay, I will write here if formula. If the sales figure is greater than the set target limit 2,50,000, then target is said to be achieved. So I have selected here limit of 2,50,000 cell using F4 function. If this condition is satisfied, then target is said to be achieved. Write this achieved in double quotation comma. If it is not responding, said to be failed. Close this parenthesis, press enter. Now copy this formula to all rows. Down you can see here achieved. Ram has achieved this target, whereas Hari and Krishna both failed to achieve this target because the sales value is less than the target value of 2,50,000. This is simplest use of logical function if. But in our regular practice, we use if function in nested form. Nested form means multiple use of if function. Let's say the organization designate their sales employees based on their performance. Omega designation is sanctioned on achieving the target 75% excess than the set target. Similarly, beta and alpha for achieving the target above 50% and above 25% respectively. So here we will calculate designation. So I will write here if this is our sales value. If it exceeds 1.75 multiplied of the set target, then he will designated as omega. So I have selected here set target value of 2,50,000. Don't forget to freeze this using function F4. Multiply this with 1.75. This is our logical criteria. If it's satisfied, the employee will be designated as omega. So select here omega, freeze this value. This is our first logical test. In similar manner we will calculate for the other designation. So this is our sales value. If it exceeds 50% of this targeted value, so multiply this value with 1.50 or 1.5, the employee will be designated as beta. So selected this beta, freeze this value. This is our next logical test, and similarly we will try to find the third designation. So select here sales amount. If it is exceed 1.25 times of the targeted value, so select this target value and multiply this with 2.5, then employee will be designated as alpha. In the case if all these three criteria are not fulfilled, then this logic will return blank. So I have written here double quotation mark. Now close this parenthesis. 1, 2, 3. All the parentheses are now closed. Press enter. In turn, it is reflecting alpha. Copy this formula in all the rows. We will find designation for the salesperson. You can see here alpha. Those who have failed to achieve the target has not been assigned any designation, whereas others who achieved this target are designated as omega and alpha. Agreed this. Let's say the company has an option to provide commission or the sales incentive to the salesperson. So, we can also calculate the incentive. Our other function is AND. This function tests the conformity of two or more test criteria. If all the criteria are met, then it will reflect as true. Table illustrate marks obtained by the student in physics, English and mathematics. Teacher can find students who scored above the passing mark by using this formula. So we will write here, he will write here test. Friends, 45 is the passing mark. With the help of AND formula, we will justify whether marks obtained by the student is above the passing mark or not. We will write here AND formula. Write here AND. The logical criteria is mark obtained should be above than 45. So I will write here 45. In similar manner, I will judge for other subjects also. So next subject is English. It also should be greater than 45. Similarly, the mathematics should be greater than 45. If all the criteria are met, then it will give us result. Copy this formula to the entire row. Have a look at this. Student Mohan scored 45 marks in mathematics. That's why in turn it is resulting false. Now change it to 46. You can see now Mohan is passed in all the subject accordingly, and for AND function is returning us true. Whereas in case of Karthik scored 45. So he is also failed in mathematics. Friend, passing marks in each subject is 45. To have a pass certificate, student need to score marks 45 and marks above than 45 in each subject. With the help of an AND function, we will test the logical function. So right here, and this score in physics should be above 45. Karthik is failed because he scored 45 in mathematics. If you change this value to 70, you can have true result. Friends, now we will learn the use of OR function. Friends, now we'll learn about the function OR. This logical function tests two or many conditions to see if any one of them are true. Otherwise, it will result false. Again, we are using the same table. Right here, status. Apply here OR formula. Or if the mark obtained in physics is less than 45, the student is said to be fail. Similarly, for English and for mathematics also. Close this parenthesis. So we can see here Mohan is responding true for this test because he has scored 30 marks, which is lesser than the passing criteria of 45 marks. In other cases, Rakesh, Jayant, Karthik and Imran all scored above than 45 marks, and in this manner these are not responding to the test. That's why it is false as per logical test. Friends, now we will learn the use of logical function NOT. This function returns true when a test fails. This is best way to get the result we need to exclude. Conduct here test. Right here NOT. If this is equal to, if sample1 is equal to sample2, it will return false. If I copy the same formula in the next row, we will find true result because Ram and Mohan are not equal, whereas in our logical test we have written equality sign. So in this case, in second row, Ram and Mohan are not equal. That's why the NOT function is giving us a true result. Let's say in another row we have written here date. So if I write here NOT, sample1 is equal to sample2, it will give us true result. If I change the formula and write here is less than 1 is greater than sample2, in turn I will get a true result. Same thing I can look in the row 14. Friends, so far we have used if, and, or, and not logical used singly. Now we will use this formula in combination of one another. In table 1, this is our table 1. Table 1 is listing item, price and their aging. As per the company policies, the items which are older more than 10 month, company will provide discount of 10%. In case of item older than 15 months, company will provide 20%, and in case of item older than 25 months, company will provide 30% discount. With combination of if and we can calculate the amount of depreciation. So right here, if we will use if in combination of and. If aging is exceed than 25 month, freeze this value, company will allow a discount of 30%. So select here price cell and multiply this with 30%. Freeze this value. Now nest the same formula for other boundaries also. Again write here if in combination of and, aging is greater than 15%, is this value. The discount will be 20%, and for third boundary we'll apply the same formula in combination of if and and. If the aging is greater than 10 month, discount will be is greater than 10 month. Press this function, close this parenthesis, and discount will be 10% of the price. So multiply it with 10%, is this value, else it will return, close all the open parentheses 2 and 3. Press enter. Now we have depreciation amount with us. So lower boundary is 10 month. If I change aging of any of the item to 9 month, automatically it will calculate depreciation as 0. And our current price will be previous price minus depreciation. So we have the current price. Row number 15 is reflecting error value that can be removed by application of F error. Right here F error, and right here 0. Now drag this formula to all the rows. In place of error it will reflect 0. Use of F error already mentioned in our earlier video. In table number 2 we will learn use of logical function if or. So the table is marks obtained in various subjects by some students is given in this table. Marks of some students are given in table number 2 with help of logical function. We will declare here result. So what I will do, I will type here if in combination of or. I will select here or. Physics is lesser than 45 marks. Same logic I will apply for English, 45 marks, and for maths also. Now less than 45, close this bracket. If it respond this logic, then student will be fail. So write here fail, or it will return as pass. Now close this bracket copy this formula to all row with the help of Ctrl D. So result of every student is pass. Let's change mark obtained by Mohan in English 35. You can see here the change. In turn, it is reflecting fail result. You can make the same changes in mark obtained by Karthik. Right here 23 in physics. You can see here fail result. Friends, now we will learn the application of if in combination of or. In this table, we have illustrated weight and height of 4 candidates. Let's say our selection criteria is weight should be less than 70 kg and height should be above than 5.5 feet. So here we will write the logical function if in combination with or. So I have written here if in combination with or. So our first test criteria is weight should be, this is our weight, should be less than 70 kg. So we will write here 70 kg and height should be greater than 5.5. If this criteria is meet, then the candidate will be selected, else he will be selected or rejected. So write here rejected, in between inverted comma and close this bracket. Candidate Ram has been selected because it is meeting both the criterias. You can see Hari has been rejected because he is overweight. His weight is excess than 70 kg, whereas his height is within the prescribed limit. Friends, in this way we have seen how the logical functions help us in decision making. I hope you managed to understand the concept of logical function and their applicability. If you have any suggestion or query, please feel free to comment down in the comment box. If you like the contents, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.